Today, we are going to know how to learn trigonometrical table. So this is one of the most easiest thing if you remember this trick. So basically, this is a hand, one of the left hand or right hand, you can take anything. This looks like an algae, but still consider this as a hand. So in this table, we'll be having 5 angles: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So now we should remember what are the values for sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cos sec theta, and then sec theta or secant, and then cot theta. For all these six, we should know all these 5 angle values. You might not get me, but I will teach you. I am there. So to write the whole table, means which all the six, to fill all the gaps, if we know sine theta and cos theta value, we can fill everything. So easy. Let me say. First, let us know the formulas which are there. Na? So sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. And then tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta, which implies opposite by hypotenuse by adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse cancel, opposite by adjacent. Then cosec or cosecant theta is equals to hypotenuse by opposite. Basically, normally they'd be saying like this. Let me say you. It would be 1 by sine theta. So if we write sine theta, it will be opposite by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse I'm bringing up. So that is why we'll be writing hypotenuse by opposite. Then secant value. It will be 1 by cos theta, which is hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta means what are the values? Adjacent will come up, opposite will be down. So adjacent by opposite. So simple. Now let us come back to this. Let us find the values of all these 6 things in an easy and simple manner. First, let us find for sine theta. Sine theta values of all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. First, sine 0 degrees, let us find. Always remember this. Whenever you take sine values, you should take in a clockwise direction and a cos values in an anti-clockwise direction. So let's start. Sine 0 degrees is equals to 0. Why? So this is the last finger, which is the pinky finger. If you go right side, or right side, so there will be no finger left. So it will be 0. So sine 0 degrees is equals to 0. Next, sine 30 degrees. How many fingers are left? 1 finger. I forgot to say one thing. Anytime, whenever we are taking all this value, we'll be taking something root by 2. Like this only we'll be taking, okay? So let me write here for the 0 degrees also clearly. Root 0 by 2, which is 0. Okay? Next, 30 degrees. 1 finger is left. So root 1 by 2. See, only 1 finger is left now. Okay, next. Let us come to 45 degrees. 45 degrees, how many fingers are left? 2 fingers are left. So root 2 by 2. How can you write 2 as? You can write root 2 by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2 square. Square and root will get cancelled, and hence it will become 2 itself. So now what will we do? Root 2 and root 2 cancel. The value of 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. If you did not get, put the video back And again, see, it will be easy for you to learn this. 1 by root 2 is the value. Next, 60 degrees. When we come to 60 degrees, how many fingers are left? 1, 2, and 3. So root 3 by 2. Next, root 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers are left. So root 9 means 90 degrees sine 90 degrees is equals to root 4 by 2. Root 4 is 2 2s are 4. So it is 2 by 2, which is 1. So now let us write on a fresh page. Let me write here something like, let me draw a box and then another box. Please excuse me because we can make only in the video. Okay. Now, first let me leave this space. Then first for 0 degrees, then we have to find the value for 30 degrees, not 35, I'm sorry, it's 30 degrees. Then we had to find for 45 degrees. Let us move this some side so that we can have space. Then 60 degrees. And finally, we are left with 90 degrees. Okay. You also make the same table how I'm making, okay? So here let me write 0 and then 30, 45 degrees, and then we'll be taking 60 degrees and then 90 degrees. Make the table as how I am making. First, let us write the values for sine theta. Sine theta, 0 degrees is 0, 30 degrees is 1 by 2, and then 45 degrees when we come, I'll just say you, 45 degrees, it is 1 by root 2. Let us write it here, 1 by root 2, and then root 3 by 2, and then final answer is 1. So sine theta values we got. Now cos theta. One trick I'll say, you no need to count again for everything. So for cos theta, what you do, write ulta what you had written for sine theta. Do you get my point? Let me repeat. See, for 0 degrees angle, write the values of 90 degrees and cos theta. See, let me fill this. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0 degrees angle. I'll prove it first and last so that however the middle are equal. Let us come to the slide. So as I said, for this one, the cos theta values will be taken in anti-clockwise direction. So 90 degrees, there's no finger left, so 0 degrees. And then 0 degrees, how many fingers are? 1, 2, 3, 4. Root 4 by 2, which is 1. Hence proved. See, all the values just like ulta. Now, we have to go with tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Sine by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0. Next, 1 by root 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So 1 by root 3. Next, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. Final answer is 1. Root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 1 by 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 is the value. Next, 1 by 0 is undefined. Yeah, undefined. Anything, it might be any number, 1000 or anything, by 0 is always undefined. any number by 0 is undefined. Understand? Yeah. So we got the values. Now let us go with cosecant. Let me change the color also for cosecant. Cosec theta or cosecant both are the same. So it is the opposite for sine theta. Not opposite basically, by 1 by sine theta. So 1 by 0, as I said, it is always undefined. And this is undefined. Next, 30 degrees. So 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1, which is 2. Yeah, 2. Next, 1 by root 2. Root 2 will come up. So root 2 is the value for this. Next, root 3 by 2. 2 will come up. 2 by root 3. Even 1 will come up or down. There is no difference. So it is 1 again. Next, cosecant is done. Now, let us go on with secant or sec theta. So it is opposite for cos theta. So however, this will be 1. Hey, same thing, let us write ulta. How will it be? First, let us confirm for this, then let us proceed. So 2 will come up, root 3 will be down. So 2 by root 3. And then here root 2 will remain same. 2 here undefined. See, so simple. For sine theta, whichever you are writing like this, cos theta I have to write like this. And same applies for cos sec and sec. And then last one which is left is cot theta. So 0 is there, 1 by 0 is undefined. So the value is undefined. Then 1 by root 3 will come up. So our values root 3, 1 of course. So root 3 is already up. Yeah, it will be root 3 only. No, 1 by root 3. Root 3 can't come up. Sorry. So 1 by root 3. Next. So undefined is there, undefined value we can't write again 1 by undefined. Na? So this is also undefined. So in exam, many people will suffer with this, remembering these numbers. Of course, we make mistakes remembering this. So this is the short trick. How can we, remember this all things? So if you want more tricks to learn, please subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more and more easy tricks to remember everything. We started with science and then went to English. Now we also started maths in our channel. It's the most wonderful moment. And the thing is that we started with the hard chapter, which is trigonometry. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to RAGHU 16 channel. See you next day. Bye.